Hello guys, welcome to my channel Math Server. This is going to be my first video and we are going to learn about the properties of whole number. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the very first property in the whole number we are going to learn about the closure property. So closure property is saying that when we are adding two whole numbers, the result we will get, that should be a whole number. So let us learn with an example. If we are taking A as 2 and B as 3, so when we place these values here, so what will happen? 2 plus 3. So according to closure property, when we are adding two whole numbers, the result we are getting 5. It's also a whole number because all we know that the whole number starts from 0 to infinite. 0, 1, 2, 3. All these are whole numbers. So we can say that closure property is applicable in the case of whole number while addition, while doing addition. So actually these properties are following in all the operations. In whole number we can do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And all these properties first we are learning in the case of addition. So first of all, the very first property, closure property in addition, saying that when we are adding two whole numbers, we are getting a whole number. Okay. Next we have the second property called commutative property. So commutative property is saying that while doing the addition of two whole numbers, if we are changing the order of the numbers, it will not change the result. Means if we are doing a plus b, or if we do b plus a, means we change the order of the number, it will not change our result. Let us learn with the same example. Let us consider a as 2 and b as 3. So if we are doing 2 plus 3 or we are doing 3 plus 2, it will not change our result. The result will be 5 only. So we can say that while doing the addition in a whole number, by changing the order of the number while doing addition will not change our result. So we can say that the commutative property in addition is applicable in the case of whole numbers. Then we have associative property. Associative property means it will say that while doing the addition of more than two numbers, if we are making association of any two numbers and if we are adding the result of that into the third number, it will not change the result. Means if we change the association, suppose we are adding these three numbers and we are making the association of this one. Means first we will add these two and the result of that we will add in third one. And if we are changing the association, suppose in other case we are adding b plus c first and the result of that one we will add to a. It will not change the result. Let us take the example same one. Suppose A is 2, B is 3 and C is 4. First of all we will add these 2 and 3. So 2 plus 3 will give us 5 and 5 plus 4 will give us 9. Let us check on the another side. Same numbers but association is changed. Let us check. First we have to solve 3 plus 4. It will give us 7 and the final result will be 9. So according to associative property, if we are changing the association of two numbers, it will not affect our result. The result will be same. So now let us move to the fourth property. The fourth property is additive identity. Now according to this property, what number should we add in a whole number to get the number again? So let me tell you, suppose A is a number. So what number should I add in A so that we will get A again? So obviously we have to add 0. So when we are adding 0 to any number, we'll get the number again. It means 0 is called the additive identity. If you will add 0 in any number, you will get the number again. So 0 is called the additive identity. The fifth one is having additive inverse. Additive inverse is a saying that what number what number should we add in a number so that we will get the 0? Means like 2 is a number. So what number should we add in 2 so that we will get the result 0? It is always the reciprocal, means not the reciprocal, the inverse sign of the given number. The number is given positive 2, so we have to add negative 2 here, then only we will get the 0. So if negative 3 is given to you and they are asking about the additive inverse of minus 3, so obviously we have to add plus 3. Always whenever the question will come of additive inverse, what we have to do, we have to do the inverse sign of the same number. So these are the properties that we learn in addition of the whole numbers.